Flyvheel lets you access hot sales jobs, refer yourself or your peers, and earn commissions as they update their profile, attend interviews, and get hired. Simply install the app from the Play Store, update some basic details, and you're ready to fly. Take off by selecting Refer Jobs. Choose the category and the job relevant to your network. Evaluate the hiring criteria and identify relevant people. Now you can share your referral code using WhatsApp, email, or social media and start earning commissions. Get real-time updates on the status of your referrals and earnings as your referrals complete their profiles, attend interviews, and get hired. You can also add people to your hiring network using your referral code and earn 10% commissions every time they refer someone. You can keep track of your network in-app and also grow your network using the Flyvheel community groups. Flyvheel groups are a great place to network, learn from peers, and increase your earnings by collaborating on larger opportunities. Now let's see how job referrals work. People in your network click the link you shared and review the job description to apply. They are then directed to a profile builder. The profile builder takes a few minutes to update and captures their personal details, work experience, education, and skills, along with their latest resume to enable job matching. They are then redirected to create a short introduction video. The video pitch increases their chances of getting hired by 80%.
Hello, hi everyone. I'm Ritvik and I currently work as a business development manager at Flyvheel. I hold strong experience in account management, lead generation, and closing of B2B deals. I'm currently looking for opportunities in enterprise sales. Thank you.
Flywheel also has an integrated assessment tool that can be used for skill and aptitude testing as required. Your referrals DGCV is now ready. They can now continue applying to more jobs or keep track of their past applications. The DigiCV is an openly shareable digital profile that flywheelers use to showcase their experience, skills, and present themselves on video.
My name is Monica. I've completed Electronics and Communication Engineering at Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore in the year 2014.
They can also ask FlyBuddy WhatsApp bot for support to answer queries, schedule interviews, and request updates. They can also refer more people and earn commissions through the Flywheel app. So what are you waiting for? Get on Flywheel and start earning.